You need to watch this if you struggle with dull, tired skin, because what I'm about to share could change your beauty routine forever. Hello, my lovelies, and welcome back. I'm so thrilled to see you here again, joining me for another fun and informative session. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or brand new to this channel, I hope you're ready for something truly special today. Today, I'm sharing my absolute obsession with a golden spice you probably already have in your kitchen: turmeric. It's not just for curries or lattes. This vibrant powder is a true beauty powerhouse that's been cherished for centuries. This ancient ingredient, packed with the active compound curcumin, is a natural multitasker for your skin. It's anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and even antifungal, making it a must-have for anyone looking to boost their skincare routine naturally. So grab a cuppa, settle in and get comfy, because we're about to dive into the top 7 beauty benefits of turmeric for your skin. Trust me, you won't want to miss these glowing secrets. I bet you didn't know turmeric could be your secret weapon for glowing skin. First up, turmeric is a natural skin brightener. This golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional skincare routines. It helps fade dark spots and evens out your skin tone by reducing excess melanin production. Turmeric is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. With regular use, you'll notice a healthy, radiant glow, no heavy makeup needed. It's like giving your skin a natural boost. It's a gentle way to restore luminosity, especially when life leaves your skin looking tired. Turmeric can rejuvenate your skin, making it look fresh and vibrant. Think of it as a natural brightness filter for your face. Incorporate it into your routine and watch your skin transform. You need to watch this if you struggle with breakouts. Struggling with breakouts? Turmeric's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory powers fight acne-causing bacteria and calm redness. It soothes angry spots and helps prevent new ones, all without harsh chemicals. Turmeric supports a balanced, resilient complexion over time. It's a gentle, natural solution for clearer skin. You need to watch this if you struggle with stubborn acne scars. Acne scars sticking around? Turmeric encourages skin regeneration and cell turnover. It gradually fades post-acne marks, revealing fresher, more even skin. Regular turmeric masks or spot treatments can visibly improve clarity. It's a patient process, but so worth it for a smoother complexion. Everybody is looking for the secret to youthful skin. Worried about aging? Turmeric is loaded with antioxidants that protect your skin from free radical damage. This helps slow down fine lines and loss of firmness. Think of turmeric as your skin's natural bodyguard, keeping it youthful and healthy. It's about graceful aging, not turning back the clock. A simple, effective way to support your skin's vitality. You need to watch this if you struggle with oily skin. Oily skin? Turmeric helps regulate sebum production, reducing shine without stripping your skin. It balances oiliness, leaving your skin fresh and matte. A weekly turmeric mask can keep excess oil in check. Enjoy a soft matte finish and more confidence in your complexion. Everybody is looking for relief from sensitive or irritated skin. Sensitive or irritated skin? Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties can help calm redness and soothe flare-ups. It's not a cure, but it offers gentle relief for conditions like eczema or psoriasis. Always patch test first and mix with a carrier oil for extra gentleness. Natural comfort for your most delicate skin moments. Am I the only one that didn't know turmeric could make your skin as soft as petals? Want softer, smoother skin? Turmeric acts as a gentle exfoliant, buffing away dead skin cells. It leaves your skin feeling renewed and touchably soft. Regular use refines texture and makes makeup glide on beautifully. It's the perfect finishing touch for a glowing complexion. I will show you how to get the best skin of your life with just one simple ingredient: turmeric. That's it. 7 amazing turmeric benefits. I hope you're feeling inspired and ready to give turmeric a try in your own self-care routine. Whether you're looking to boost your skin's glow, support your health, or just try something new, Turmeric is a wonderful, natural option to explore. For a simple and effective face mask, just mix a teaspoon of turmeric with either plain yogurt or honey. Both ingredients help soothe and nourish your skin, while turmeric brings its powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties to the mix. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes so your skin can soak up all the goodness. Then rinse off gently with warm water. You'll notice your skin feels refreshed and looks brighter. Just a quick reminder, turmeric can stain your skin and towels, so use it sparingly and always do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. This helps you avoid any unexpected reactions and keeps things mess-free. For the best results, choose high-quality organic turmeric powder. It makes a real difference in both effectiveness and safety, so check your labels and pick the best you can find. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural beauty and wellness ideas. Your support means so much. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments if you've tried turmeric in your routine or if you have any questions or tips to share. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.